Licenses are required for a number of careers in South Dakota, but this month the state rolled back requirements for many of those jobs. And as our Austin Goss reports, that could impact a wide variety of industries ranging from hair salons to construction.
Legislation has recently gone into effect that will lessen government involvement in the hiring process. And while the goal of the legislation is to make it easier to hire workers, many more established workers worry about some of the drawbacks. Joanne Dodson is a veteran of the cosmetology community in South Dakota. She owns Beauty Boutique in Pierre.
In business for over 30 years, and I grew up in this salon because my mother had it and my sister had it before me.
Changes are coming for workers and business owners like Joanne. Governor Noem has signed into law 5 bills that streamline the process to get an occupational license in the state.
Every day there's regulations in place that are a burden on businesses, a burden on families, and they end up driving up costs on products that customers end up taking money out of their pockets.
The laws do such things as strike the high school graduation requirement from certain professions and lower the requirements to get into certain fields. And while change is welcome, stylists like Joanne worry about too little oversight becoming a problem.
To get to the license, it's kind of a steep price to pay, but then again, there's other professions that are way more than that. The less regulation they have would probably help a little bit, but then, I don't mind being watched over and inspected.
And while inspections of businesses by the state aren't going anywhere, Joanne hopes that the trade itself won't be affected.
Really important to learn everything. I mean, we have to learn the veins, the arteries, everything in the head, hands, and feet. And you're not supposed to, nobody is supposed to touch your head, hands, or feet except a beautician.
You can read more about the specifics of each of those laws on our website. From the Pierre Newsroom, I'm Austin Goss.